Omobanke. Soji is a Nollywood actor in Nigeria and who currently located to the United States. And besides, Soji has acted in so many things. I present to you Soji, popular known as Oshoshe Omobanke, the personal person of Alabi Pasu. Please put your hands for Soji Oshoshe Omobanke. Next is Adegbola Productions. I present to you a young man who has been the best of the Department of Media and Media Business. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome a young Nigeria, a media guru, a juggernaut in media. I present this young man, Adegbola And Productions. The next award, Toyin Adegbola. Toyin Adegbola to please step to the microphone and step to the stage for the award. Toyin Ashawo to the Mecca. Toyin Adegbola Ashawo to the Mecca. Congratulations, Adegbola Productions. Ẹ jẹ́ kí yèyé olúwa Toyin Adegbola láyé kọjá. No, okay. Toyin, please raise Margaret and Toyin, please to step here. Let's see. Okay, thank you very much. She said, Margaret Toyin. Margaret Toyin. She's beautiful and amiable. She's a beauty pageant, and besides, she has won so many awards as a beauty queen. I present to you this delectable dancer, a woman of many parts, Margaret Toyin. Please put your hands together for her as I present a award to her. Next is Toyosi Adesanya. Toyosi Adesanya. Please put yourself on Toyosi Adesanya. Toyosi Adesanya. She's a Nollywood actress. She has acted in so many things, but she's popularly known and particularly known for her part in movies, taking part of an old woman, and she's always an old woman. Toyosi Adesanya is extremely beautiful. Please put your hands together for her as she comes on stage. Toyosi Adesanya, one my person nínú fíìmù lè ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀gá. Àǹtí Toyosi, ṣé ẹ lọ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ sísun ní lọ́tọ̀ ni? Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I still have to go through some names there. Queen Olajumoke Oloyede. Queen Olajumoke Oloyede. Queen Olajumoke Oloyede, please let me know.
Thank you.
Queen Olajumoke Oloyede. Queen Olajumoke Oloyede. She's a young woman and a very intelligent and advocate. I present to you Queen Olajumoke Oloyede for our world. Temitope Olaoye, King Atayeshe. Temitope Olaoye to please step for your word. Temitope Olaoye. Temitope Olaoye, King Atayeshe. is a young Nigerian who sings in form of Orlando Owo. Please put your hands up. Temitope Olaoye. Temitope Olaoye is just a reminiscent of Orlando Owo. Please put your hands together.